It's getting to that time of year where we're starting to see more injuries related to the weather. And whether it's the rain, the snow, the sleet, the freezing, we just want to make sure you guys are being safe out there. And I tell a lot of people, just because when I'm on call right now, we're seeing several different hip fractures, injuries to the shoulders, the arms from falling. Just remember to be safe. There's no rush. No matter what the situation is, if you're used to using things like a walker or a cane, even walking sticks, which are becoming more popular these days, use those things and take your time, because the worst thing that could possibly happen is that you fall, you have an injury, and this time of year, everybody is more prone to that. So just a quick reach out to stay safe, take your time. The only other thing I want to say, because I saw this recently, if you have one, make sure you keep your phone or your mobile device on you. And that way, if you are outside, and God forbid you're alone, and you do have a fall and an injury, you have a way to get in touch with somebody, even if it's 911 or a family member, to help you out so you don't get into a situation that really puts you at risk.